for real.
I agree. Did you see me? I was like, Colorado. We're gonna go to Pagosa, right?
Yeah.
Some like last word.
All right, Ma, look, come on,
like
you're
last
first.
thoughts to this place for sure. Alright, what can I say about this place? It's just fucking beautiful.
Totally recommend coming. San Jose Mountains.
San Juan.
San Juan Mountains.
Alright, what's up? Talk
This
to us.
is definitely a trip that everyone should go ahead and do at least one time in their life.
This is your first time, right?
This is my first time, and I'm not in shape, but I made it up there. Not up there yet, but up there. And so if I can do it, all y'all can do it for sure.
Don't be lazy.
Don't be lazy.
Get out your couch.
Brother? What about you? So you were here maybe
8 years ago.
8 years ago? No, that wasn't 8 years. That was like 6, right?
8.
8?
I'm 16. I was 8 when I came
Oh
here.
shit. Well, what are the last thoughts? You're being here after 8 years, brother.
I'm hurt that I didn't remember anything, but like seeing it at this age is just like something you need, bro. Like get away from everything,
For sure.
everything that's going on in your life. You just come out here and just clear your head and just enjoy it, what's around you. It's
Definitely.
not a lot of people get to see this. Not a lot.
Not a lot. Not a lot, guys.
So if you have the chance, just take it.
If a Karen can make it up here, you guys can.
Yeah.
Don't be a Karen.
Don't be a
Hey,
Karen.
that's the thing about it. Like, don't be a fucking Karen.
No one likes Karen. Malo.
Ramon?
Oh shit.
Yeah, there we go. We're missing you, brother. What's going on? Tell me your last thoughts about this place.
Well, I'm hungry as shit. I'm gonna get there pretty quick.
This thing didn't even give us a thought about this place.
Yeah. Well, that is my thought. It's nice. I came, I lived it. Let's move on.
On our way back. We had a really good time. Worth it. Finally made it back to the starting point. You guys can remember this view. Look at that drop though. Last push. Alright, now the plan is to hike all the way down and drive all the way to Pagosa Springs and soak up there. Made it. When'd you guys get here?
5 minutes ago.
Yeah.
Dude, we're like, we forgot to get some water.
I need some water.
I bet, bro. Alright, guys. See you guys on the road. Probably gonna head to, well, most likely we're going to head to Pagosa. So we'll see you guys out there. Or maybe on the road. I don't know. We'll see what kind of adventures pop up.
Stopped at the Pinkerton's Hot Springs. Pinkerton Hot Springs, yo. It's pretty warm. It's actually pretty warm. It's right off the highway. It's really cool. Yeah, buddy.
How hot is it, Dad?
It's not, it's pretty warm. Touch it. Cool, huh?
Is it drinkable then?
No, what's wrong with you? It's mineral water. You know what? I'm not sure if there's drinkable. You're right. Just drink it. Fuck it. Sick.
Fuck.
Yo, you sunburnt?
Nah, that's what you talking about, dog. I'm perfectly fine, bro.
We were talking on how like he really doesn't get sunburnt, but as y'all see,
It was all a myth.
brown people get sunburnt too. Alright guys, let's fucking head out.
Oh my God! Hold on.
Oh man, you get your hat?
I got my hat, guys.
Yeah, boy.
Backwards, dog.
Let's go. Here we are, Pagosa. Huh? Pagosa.
Pagosa.
Fucking sunburn, bro. We got a little room to stay the night, bro. Why not? Gonna hit the springs later on. Hey. Alright guys, I'm about to take a shit, bro.
Hurry up.
Let me just take it right quick.
Pass me a
Who's
towel,
next?
bro.
Damn, it fucking stinks, bro.
Stupid ass. Oh, that was in there.
All the way from the motherfucking mountains, bro. No wonder you didn't take it over there.
Oh shit, bro, that's too much. Bro. My bad. Bro. All right, let's go. We did get fucking hella sunburned. Yo, so if you guys are asking what hotel we stayed at, good. We're staying at the San Juan Hotel. It's in Pagosa Springs. They have these little regular rooms, and then they have the little cabins here. I've stayed in these cabins a few times, but we decided not to take the cabins today because I think they only had one, and it was like a 4-bed or something like that. We don't need 4 beds, so this one did it. We're gonna about to go munch, eat some food, and get this end of night going. Let's see what's up. Alright, we're freshen up. Took a shower because we stank. We stank a lot. Brought some clothes. The only thing we didn't bring was gel. For this guy, I don't know. I guess I'll put some.
Nah, dog.
I guess
We
I'll
need
put
some gel,
Yeah,
bro.
yeah.
We can't be looking like scrubs.
Yo. Do it. Do it.
No, I just ended up in Durango.
That's what time it is.
Just serendipitous, so I got
That's what ordered this
That's
bitch.
what time it is, man.
my degree there.
Cool.
Oh yeah, we got.
I wanna ask you about your tattoo. Let's this here.
Yo, we're soaking here. This is one of the pools. This is one of the many pools that they have around here, honestly. Let me just say, oh shit, I didn't catch you, bro. Go ahead, Kyle. Hey.
I don't know. That's what
It's
it
been a
feels
good
like.
trip.
You know what I
It's
mean?
been a really good trip.
Had a blast.
Had a blast. Amazing and memorable. What can I say?
Fucking blessed.
Blessed, brother.
Blessed to be alive. Look, let me tell you
Let me
guys
just,
something. Look,
He's a badass person. He's the best person I know. And look, hit the like button. Once these videos start dropping, show support. If you don't want to show support, well, fucking dislike that bitch. That's still support. Drop a comment. Tell him what he's doing wrong. Tell him something he can improve on.
There
you
you
know
go.
what I mean? Turn on the ring notifications so you get notified. Look, let me tell you something. Wise words from a wise man. Be blessed and stay blessed. Alright, we'll catch you next time.
Oh, you already know. That's the wrap.
Oh!